Alright, you absolute fuckhead. Get ready because the Logitech MX Master 3S is about to shove your old piece of shit mouse straight out the goddamn window. This isn't just a mouse, this is a fucking powerhouse that'll leave your old mouse looking like a toy. If you're still using that cheap crap you bought off Amazon for $10, you're an idiot and you deserve every bit of frustration that comes with it. This is the real deal, and if you're ready to stop looking like an amateur and actually level the fuck up, I've left a link to the best deals down in my description below. Don't be a dumbass. Click it and get yourself set up right. Let's start with tracking. If you're still stuck with that weak-ass DPI, you need to step the fuck up. This thing has a fucking 8K DPI sensor. 8,000 DPI. That means you can track on any surface, even glass, like you've got some sort of magic tech in your hands. Stop bullshitting yourself with that old-ass mouse that can barely track on a goddamn mouse pad. This thing will track anywhere. Glass, wood, your fucking desk, it doesn't care. It's smooth as hell, and it makes your old mouse look like it's dragging its feet through the mud. And don't even get me started on the clicking noise. The MX Master 3S has quiet clicks, so now you can click without annoying the shit out of everyone around you. Imagine that. You can still get the same satisfying click, but with 90% less noise, so now you can work in peace and not make everyone else want to throw your goddamn mouse out the window. It's like Logitech said, we know you're an asshole, but we'll still make your mouse quieter so you don't piss everyone off. Now, MagSpeed scrolling. If you're using that lame-ass scroll wheel on your old mouse, stop. The MagSpeed is 90% faster, 87% more precise, and silent as shit. You can fly through pages, scroll through files, and do it all without that annoying clickety-click sound. It's so fast, you'll feel like you're scrolling through the future while your old mouse is still stuck in the past. If you think your old scroll wheel is good enough, you're fucking delusional. Get with the times. Ergonomics? Oh hell yeah. This thing is ergonomically designed to fit your hand like it was made for it. Your wrist is going to be thanking you after hours of use because this thing is crafted for comfort. No more feeling like your hand is about to fall off after an hour of work. This is made for people who don't want to be a broken, tired mess by the end of the day. You're going to feel like a goddamn champion, not a stressed out mess with a cramping hand. But wait, customization? This mouse lets you do whatever the hell you want. The Logi Options Plus software lets you customize buttons, set up app-specific profiles, and optimize the hell out of your workflow. If you're still using a generic-ass mouse that can't be customized, you're a fucking fool. Get this mouse and take control of your damn work life. Whether you're editing, gaming, or browsing the internet, this mouse adapts to you, not the other way around. And if you think this is just for one computer, you're in for a rude awakening. The MX Master 3S has flow cross-computer control, so you can seamlessly work on multiple computers or laptops, transferring files, text, and images between Windows and Mac OS. If you're still copying and pasting shit between devices like a caveman, stop. This mouse lets you work like a pro without all that annoying hassle. Let's talk about multi-device compatibility because this mouse isn't just for one computer. It works with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth or the Logi Bolt USB receiver. It doesn't matter if you're on Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, or even Linux. This mouse doesn't give a shit. It works on everything. You want versatility? You got it. This thing is as flexible as your excuse for why you're still using that shit mouse. Bottom line, if you're still using that basic bullshit mouse, you're wasting your time. The Logitech MX Master 3S is here to save your ass and make you feel like you actually give a shit about your work. It's got precision, speed, comfort, and quiet as hell clicks. Everything you need to stop being a fucking amateur and start winning at life. Don't be a moron, upgrade your setup, or keep using that garbage and keep losing. If you don't want to be a complete idiot with your content, get the Logitech MX Master 3S. I've linked it down in the description. Click it, grab that shit, and thank me later. Get the MX Master 3S and stop being a goddamn idiot with that outdated junk. Get your shit together, and make your life easier with the best mouse you'll ever use. Or don't. Stay stuck in the past and keep complaining about your shitty gear. Your call, idiot. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Honestly, I don't give a fuck. Hit that goddamn button.